Day 179 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. You already know what it is. We're doing LeetCode problems every day until we get a job or until we accomplish our wildest programming dreams, whatever they may be, y'all. And this time we made it all the way to day 179 and we're still going strong, y'all. That's right, you heard that right, y'all. We're almost 6 months in, y'all. Tomorrow will be around 6 months in, or it will be 180 days. It won't be exactly 6 months, but it'll be 180 days, y'all. And that's a whole lot of progress that we made over these last months, y'all. And we're still going strong. I don't see any sign of slowing down soon, and I hope y'all don't feel any sign of slowing down soon, y'all, because we have a long way to go. We're just getting started. We haven't even made it a year yet, and we all know we plan to be programmers for many, many, many years, y'all. And just think, we haven't even done LeetCode for a year, which should let us know that we have a long way to go, but it doesn't matter because we're doing what we love and we're having fun, y'all. So I hope y'all are enjoying yourselves. I hope y'all are enjoying this channel, and I hope y'all are ready to learn something today and do some more LeetCode, because that's what's going to get us the goals or the jobs that we want, the money that we want, and the life that we want, y'all. So, and don't forget, you gotta incorporate God into that too. But all of that combined with God, how can you lose, y'all? Just make sure you stay disciplined and consistent, y'all. So before we get started today, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. And then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. And then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. It's up to us to help build the Swift community as Swift community members, y'all. And one way we can do that is to share this content with as many people as we can find that will watch it. So your support is appreciated when it comes to that, y'all. So with that being said, let's get into the question. And today we have question number 1189, maximum number of balloons. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here to learn something. And if you don't understand the solution at the end of this video, you probably didn't learn anything, and that's not what we want. Now, the first part to understanding the solution is to understand the question. So let's get into the question. The question says, given the string text, you want to use the characters of text to form as many instances of the word balloon as possible. You can use each character in text at most once, return the maximum number of instances that can be formed. So in example 1, we have text. It's a string NLAEBOLKO. The output is 1 because we can only spell balloon one time with this text right here. We can only use the characters in text at most once, right? So we can only use each letter once, which means we can only spell balloon once, because there's a B right here, an A right here, a L right here, a L right here, a O right here, a O right here, and an N right here. That spells balloon. The only thing we don't need is the E and the K, which is why the E and the K are in black and everything else is in red, because the letters that spell balloon are in red. So let's see what example 2 is talking about, where it's a little different, where the output would be 2, right? So in example 2, we have the input text equals a string LOONBALLXBALLPOON. Excuse me, y'all. This time the output is 2 because with these characters in text, we can spell balloon twice. We could rearrange this to spell balloon right here, right? We could put this BAL in front of this LOON, and that would spell balloon. And then we could just take the P out, or we could remove this P, and this would spell balloon as well. So that's 2 different ways we could spell balloon, right? So that's why the output is 2. Whereas up here, there was only 1 way we could spell balloon, because we could only use the characters once. But example 2 has enough characters where we could spell balloon twice, and that's why the output is 2. So let's look at example 3 where we cannot spell balloon. And so let's get into it. The input text is a string LeetCode. The output is 0 because out of these words or characters in text, we can't spell balloon. There's no B's, there's no A's. We need 2 L's, we need 2 O's, and there's no N. So that's why the output is 0, because there's no way to spell balloon out of the characters that's given in LeetCode. So now that we understand the question, y'all, let's get into the fun part, the part we all know and love, the actual code, right? And the first thing we are going to do is we are going to declare a variable. We're going to say b equals 0. Then we're going to say comma. So we're gonna put all the variables on one line by using the commas, right? So b equals 0, comma. Then we're going to say a equals 0, comma. Then we're going to say L equals 0, comma. Then we're going to say O equals 0, comma. Then we're going to say N equals 0, comma. Make sure it's equal white space. Let's see. Okay. Then we're going to come down here and we are going to say for char in text. Boom. We're going to say switch char. So we're going to use a switch statement, y'all. And we're going to say case B. We're going to put a B inside. We're going to come over and say colon. We're going to say B plus equals 1. Then we're going to do the same thing for A. We're going to say open up the quotation marks, put an A inside, come outside, put a colon. We're going to say A plus equals 1. Then we're going to do the same thing for L. We're going to say case, open up the quotation marks, put an L inside, come outside, put a colon. Then we're going to say L plus equals 1. Then we're going to do the same thing for O. Come outside of that. Excuse me, y'all. Come outside of that. We're going to say colon, O plus equals 1. Then we're going to say case. Do the same thing. Quotation marks, N, come outside, colon, N plus equals 1. Then we're going to we need a default for all switch statements. So our default, we're just going to say continue. Then we're going to come underneath that and we are going to say L / equals 2. Then we're going to do the semicolon, and then we're going to say, and it should be equal white space, y'all. Then we're going to say O / equals 2 because we need 2 L's and we need 2 O's. That's why we're doing this right here. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return min, open up the parentheses, B, comma, A, comma, L, comma, O, comma, N. And then that should be all she wrote, y'all. So let's run it. See how it runs. Make sure it runs as it's supposed to. Ooh, look at that, y'all. It's accepted. So let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted. Let's see. Oh, y'all know I love those numbers right there. 0 milliseconds beats 100% of users with Swift, y'all. You already know that's faster than a Bugatti riding past Andrew Tate on the Autobahn. That's what I like to see. Or should I say riding past all the brokies, y'all. That's what I like to see. And I also like to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.